Thank you for Sweet Witch by Nature Bitch by Choice Moon Halloween shirt letting my guest judge. This week, I will say, 2. Sweet Witch by Nature Bitch by Choice Moon Halloween shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Thanks for Sweet Witch by Nature Bitch by Choice Moon Halloween shirt the gold kind stranger. Taking a break this week was worth it if only because of it. Don't forget you can commission me. OPM me about my rates. Both the artistic and the sexual. I wasn't expecting that. I get someone has to be in the bottom, but seriously? Also, I'm Indian and I know what looks like a Hindu god since I've been worshipping them for over 20 years. That look was not Indian inspired. I think it's because of the hand gestures that some confusion happened. No Indian goddess wears transparent leggings. Firstly, that style is clearly something reminiscent of belly dancer, courtesan look at the top. Pants and shoes. Even the headpiece looks like it's from Indonesia.